Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is finally here in the house. So in this video, we're going to unbox the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this phone is costing around $1,100 in the US. But the iPhone 13 Pro Max is costing around almost $1,900 in Pakistan. And also on the variant I have is the 128 GB of internal storage. Also on the color I have is this Sierra blue color. This is the new color in the iPhone 13 series. Also you can see that on the back we have this on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, because the iPhone 13 series does not have any plastic wrap. So now let's quickly open this box without any wasting time. Here is the Sierra blue color. I also have the gold version of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here is the box of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, looks like in the gold color. So now let's open this box, and the first thing we get the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can see in the Sierra blue color, and this is the blue color of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is more lighter as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see also on the back we have matte finish. Also the back is made up of glass on this phone, and you can see in the camera bump also it is much bigger as compared to before. So now let's remove this first, and now I'm gonna just put the side here. Now let's see what test we get. And other than the phone, like always, and the first thing we get a cable, and this is a USB Type-C to lighting cable. Also we got this mini box. It says that designed by Apple in California. When you open this box, we also get a suggestion tool as well as some more quick start guide. We also get Apple sticker as well, and you can see, and that's about it. Nothing inside the box, no adapter, no headphones. So now let's put all these things inside the box pack. Now let's look at the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have lightning port, one more speaker and one more microphone, and this thing is made up of stainless steel. Also we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a SIM tray. You can use one physical SIM and one eSIM. Also we have mute. On the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have power on button. Also we have antenna bands for 5G. On the back we have triple cameras on this phone, and this phone has a 12 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. Also we have sensor shift stabilization. Also we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, which one has f1.8 aperture. Lastly we have a 12 megapixel lens, which give you a 3x optical zoom. Also we have LiDAR scanner. Also we have LED flash. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see. Let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see that what is the iPhone 13 Pro Max has to offer. And the iPhone 13 Pro Max also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, as well as the bigger battery. Also we have new Apple A15 Bionic chipset, which is based on 5nm architecture. Also we have 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then I will be coming back. And guys, and here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can see on the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super Retina XDR display, which also has a ProMotion, which means that we have 120 Hz refresh rate. In the display settings, no 120 Hz option, but when you go to the accessibility option, when you go to the motion, and you can see we have limit frame rate in this option. In the 120 Hz, it is also a LTPO display as well. Also we have new Apple A15 Bionic chipset, and this phone also running on iOS 15.0.2. The Apple notch, it is more smaller as compared to before. It is almost 20% more smaller as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the iPhone 13 Pro Max also has 4352 mAh battery size with a 20-watt fast charging, but the adapter it is not available in the box, as you can see. Also the iPhone 13 Pro Max also has a new cameras, and 120 Hz I feel it is really good on this phone. Now let's look at the camera. Here is the camera UI of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here is your normal, here is your ultra wide. Now let's see the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps, which is exactly the same. And the iPhone 13 series has a cinematic mode. It is like a bokeh video mode on iPhones. Also we have slow motion. We also have a time lapse, so that's a really good thing. We also have portrait mode. We also have a panorama. Again on the back we have a 12 megapixel main camera. Also we have ultra wide. Also we have a zoom, which is now it is coming at 3x. Now let's see the front camera. On the front we have a 12 megapixel main camera. So we have a little bit wide option, and the front camera, it is also exactly the same. The front camera also has a cinematic mode, and you can see it's like a bokeh video mode, which is also available with the front camera. So we have night mode, which is also improved as compared to before. On the front we also have a slow motion, we also have a time lapse. All those things it is available on this phone, and the main feature about the iPhone 13 series is a cinematic mode. Also we have a portrait mode with the front camera. So the cameras, it is really good on this phone, but not that much improved as compared to the last year iPhone. But the camera performance, it is only improved in the low light, because we have f1.5 aperture, and the camera performance also improved in the ultra wide only in low light, but in daylight everything it is exactly the same. So again, and the battery life, it is much improved as compared to the last year. So on the front we also have a ceramic shield, which is same as the last year iPhone, and this phone also feels a little bit more heavier as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.